In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter for your Kia Niro. So coming in on the passenger side door here, in this compartment, we'll just push this to get it to open, and then that will come down. And then we will there's these little knobs right here that you can twist, and then they will come right out. So the first one pops out, and then on the left side, same thing, twist it, and then it comes out. And now you can kind of see the filter is back there, but we can get this to come down even more by just popping this off right here, and now the drawer will fall down, and then we can get back to the filter. There's a latch right here, and you pinch that, opens up one side. There's the other side of the latch, pinch that, and then it comes out, and here is the filter. So you get your filter when you have a new one, and then just slide it there, back into it. And then now we'll replace it and put it back together. There's these little prongs, those go down on the bottom. So pushing it back up, one click here, and then one click here. Now it's back in. Push the drawer up, and we will lock this off here, clicked in like that. And then we should grab our knobs, put it back in here, twist them in until it sets right, and there it goes. And then we'll go and put it on the right side with our last knob, twisting in, and there it is. And now you can close the drawer, and that's how you change the cabin air filter.